folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to show you guys how to clean your cooktop on a wood cook stove. Featured right here is the Rizzoli S90. This is the cooktop I'm going to be cleaning right now. I will be just simply using acetone and the blue paper towels. So you want to use the blue kind of shop towels because these are more sensitive, especially when you're cleaning things like stainless steel, as a regular paper towel can sometimes scratch it, or even on just like a flat painted black stove as well, regular paper towel can scratch that. So keep that in mind. So far this has worked the best for stainless steel stoves. Since I'm featuring the Rizzoli in stainless today, that's what I'll be using. Just I'm gonna put some on. Really, I should probably have some gloves on. You can see it cleaning up here. I got this cooktop really hot, which is where this discoloration is coming from. And I think these might have been my fingerprints that I showed in another video. So before I light it up again, I just want to get this as clean as possible. So anything that's kind of like newer, if you can wipe it off first, then you have a way better chance of getting it off than you do if it actually cooks on like this. I don't even know if I can get this off without sanding it down. So that's a bummer. But yeah, things to keep in mind with your stove. But you can see, like, as I rub this, that this black stuff is coming off and it's getting shinier. So it really does do a good job. But then, you know, every time you cook on it, you will kind of get grease splatters and things like that. So if you guys find this video helpful, please don't forget to just give it a quick little thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.